What's going on, everybody? It's J Rob. I'm back at it again. I'm about to do an unboxing right now of finally getting my Enginehawk 50 cal Wraith. So let's go with the intro and then we'll start opening this up. Alright, so we got the Enginehawk. Let's open this up. It's already almost there. And see, I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous, but I know everybody already did their reviews. This is gonna be my review and my unboxing. Same thing like I did with the helmet. Push my baby over there looking good. Alright. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yep. Oh. Alright. This is for the. This bag is pretty badass. What is this? Oh, this is the padding to put on, I'm assuming. Alright. And that bag's pretty cool. It's clean. Oh, dang. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's put the jacket on the side. Let's see what else we got in here. I think I got the bomber as well. I went ahead and got the jacket because I guess when we were waiting for the 3.0 Atlas, they gave us a discount code, and you know, why not? So that's the bomber. And the badass thing about this bomber, you can inline it inside my Wraith. So what we're gonna do next is to try it on. But let's check this out. Alright. So it's pretty snug. 3X, a little bigger than that. But not bad. Can move around the arms. Haven't tried to zip it up. Ooh. Ooh. That's pretty tight. I'm a big boy. So sure. I'm gonna do the bomber jacket in this because it's already tight as it is. But I'll still rock this. Rock it open, you know. Badass, sweaty. So I think this will be good for the winter. Probably don't need to wear a sweater under this. Probably just wear the jacket itself. Just wear it like this. You know, wear it like that. You know, cool jacket, badass leather. Has the protection pads. Has the big one for my back. Came with it. So let's try the bomber. Bomber one. Supposed to be like a thermal kind of thing. Supposed to be like a thermal bomber black. Could be lined in with the jacket. So look at that. Enginehawk. fit in there. Like it that has the pocket. Put the phone in there. And you could zip it up with this, like Wraith has it on video. Enginehawk, they have a video about it. And all you do is just zip it up with that. It'll be all good, and then it is a really good quality. It was pretty toasty, and I'm in my garage. It's like 78 outside, but I'm gonna try this tonight. Badass. So it sucks. It's a 3X for me, but I'm a big boy. It's from the UK. Their size is a little different, but they're always trying to work their best with your measurement. And don't be disappointed, but I don't really know my waistline. I wear a 38 on pants. Got a pretty big gut. But yeah, it's a real nice jacket, man. It's real good quality. The Wraith looks awesome. The reason I got gray because I might start putting like silver or gray on my bike and chrome. And as well, like, it's gonna look all badass. So I kind of want to do the matching thing. But you know, this is my unboxing, my review of, you can finally get in my Wraith after August. All is well. I know people are against it, of how Enginehawk is or whatever, but told you, like, the jacket is awesome. It's really badass, and I love it. Might have to lose a little weight for it. And the bomber, it's small, but actually it's really good to put it in there, especially when it gets colder. So I'll be really warm and toasty. So yeah, that's it on my review. I don't really got much in the box except this badass bag, and I believe this is the back part of the, like, your armor in case you have an accident and fall. But it's pretty badass. Man, I know I keep saying but my friend's dad always keep telling me I keep saying but yeah, it just stuck in my mind. But yeah, if you're really interested, go to their website, check it out. Oh, sorry. Go to their website, check it out. The measurement is a little off, but to me, I know this one is the 3X. That's the biggest they got. It's really to me, it's just more in my gut area. I just gotta lose that weight for it. But it's a badass jacket, man. It's real clean. I'm ready to use it for this winter, especially going to Galveston, first weekend of November. So let's do this. So please, thank you for watching this video. I would like y'all to, subscribe, like, leave me comments, negative, positive, really don't care. Get followed by whatever I can. And I know I haven't been releasing any bunch of videos. I've been busy, work. I'm trying to continue to do this. I know I'm gonna do another video reviewing the Enginehawk. I had it since it came out, put a lot of miles into it, and I'll talk about that. Also the updates I did on my bike, what you could do and whatnot, and trying to do another video because I'm actually planning to get this Sport Glide bags and really show a good video how you can install those and all that in the split. So again, thank you and continue watching, and I appreciate it.